welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome. If you are not new, welcome. If you are new though, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and start getting ready. This is the look I created. It's like all eyeshadow, winged liners, smoky, matte red lips, and yeah, so I hope you enjoy this video, and let's go ahead and start getting ready. I'm going to use this Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Light 2.3 Madeleine. I'm going to take my Airspun translucent powder and I'm just going to set that concealer. So the star of the show for today is going to be this Morphe palette. This is the palette I'm going to be using. It's the Morphe 350 matte palette. Such a great palette. These are all matte shades and I just think it's a perfect palette. So, okay, so I'm going to take this shade right here. I'm just going to take a blending brush and just kind of blend this out. I'm going to go back in with that color. Okay, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with that first dark brown color and just kind of work on the wing again. Okay, so I'm just kind of just blending the colors right now because I don't want this to be super intense. With this brown right here. And just like focus that towards my lash line. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this shade and blend everything even more. I don't really do this often, so let's see how this is gonna turn out. It's actually kind of pretty. I wonder if it's showing up on camera, but in person it looks really pretty and like subtle and kind of just like chocolatey. It kind of reminds me of, who does this a lot? I think Jessica Howell does this a lot. I watch her YouTube videos all the time, and she does something with her eyes to where it's not dramatic, but it makes her eyes just look defined and like chocolatey, and this kind of reminds me of that. I'm not sure how it's picking up on camera, but in person it looks really pretty. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with this dark brown now and just define that lash line more. Really pretty. I might kind of just keep it like this and then touch up the wings with concealer. I'm not sure yet, but we'll see. A tiny bit of black, just a tiny bit. So I'm going to use the Too Faced Semi-Sweet Chocolate Bar Palette and just go in with that black shade right here, just like a tiny bit. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of foundation. I don't want too much because I just don't feel like wearing foundation. But I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Forever 21 Ultra HD foundation stick in the shade Y245. And I'm just gonna use a foundation brush and just pick up a tiny bit of product and then just like work that in my skin. Okay, and now I'm gonna go in with that Nars concealer. I'm just gonna like blend all the foundation and everything even more because, like I said, I hate wearing foundation. I don't know why I put it on. Well, I didn't put too much on. I kind of just like put a tiny bit just so my like blush and stuff can stick. But yeah, I hate wearing foundation. I don't hate foundation, I just hate wearing it if I like don't really need to wear it. But okay, I'm gonna take like a flat concealer brush and just pick up a tiny bit of this concealer and just like fix this wing. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my powder again and set underneath my eyes. I'm gonna use the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. This is my favorite bronzer ever. It smells so good too. I'm gonna use this Milani Luminoso blush. This is like a YouTube original. And for mascara, I'm going to use my two favorites, the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black and the L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black mascara. These two are literally my favorite. I've been using these for the longest time. Perfect for like volumizing, and this is perfect for length. So I'm just going to do a couple coats of that. A setting spray, and then I'll get that like thing off with a Q-tip. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my Becca highlighter that I broke. It's been broken, so. Honestly, I'm not even gonna touch my brows. Where's my brow brush? I don't know what it is. But I'm just gonna brush my brows up. not even gonna touch them because I just don't feel like it today. I don't feel like filling in my brows, and they're honestly like bushy enough anyways, so I don't have to fill them in. I'm gonna apply some of this Butter Pecan shade on my brow bone. And then some mascara on my bottom lashes. Okay, and then for lips, I'm gonna go in with this NYX lip pencil in the shade Hot Red, and then I'm gonna go in with this little sample lipstick thing I got from Sephora. It's by Kat Von D. I don't know this shade, but it came with 3 different shades, like a dark purple, nude, and then this red shade. I took the name off of it because I've used it already like once, but I do know that it's by Kat Von D and it's like on the matte side, so if I can find the shade, I'll link it below. If not, maybe you can just like walk in Sephora and, I don't know, point it out, but that's the shade I'm going to be using with this. This is honestly pretty enough to wear like a lip stain. Okay, and I'm just gonna go in with my finger and like pack this on. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.